Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by identifying the metal and removing any delicate parts. This dictates approach and prevents damage. Once done, mix warm water with a few drops of mild dish soap in a bowl so you have a gentle cleaning solution. Gently use a soft brush to dislodge loose dirt and surface rust. This first agitation exposes stubborn rust beneath and preserves plating. Make sure to work over a towel to catch drops and small parts. This keeps the workspace tidy and prevents further abrasion. Now you escalate to targeted treatment. Make a paste of baking soda and water, about 3 parts baking soda to 1 part water, and apply directly to rusted areas. Rub gently with a soft toothbrush. Baking soda acts as a mild abrasive and neutralizes rust. If rust persists, submerge the piece in white vinegar for 10 to 30 minutes. The acid dissolves iron oxide. Make sure to check the metal type first, because vinegar can harm some finishes. Rinse well to stop the reaction and prevent residue. Finish by rinsing and thoroughly drying the necklace. Moisture left in crevices invites rust to return. Next, polish using a microfiber cloth and a small amount of metal-safe polish. This restores shine and removes micro-oxidation. Once polished, apply a thin coating of jewelry wax or oil to slow reoxidation and store the piece in a dry place with silica gel. If, after repeated gentle treatments, rust persists or plating is compromised, you should consult a professional for refinishing or replating.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.